this weekend. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Enjoy fresh local blueberries at the Mount Dora Blueberry Festival.
Then head over to Loop Gardens to take a fun DIY class and learn about air plants.
Then enjoy beer, wine, food at Sodo after dark.
And Orlando Taco Week has officially started, and if you are a taco lover like me, you want to check out all these awesome deals.
And in celebration of Earth Day, there's going to be a festival at Lake Eola, so make sure to check it out. But there will also be a yoga festival there at the same time.
That's all for now. Make sure you're following us on our Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, The City Guide, YouTube, and Pinterest.
All of them. Bye, Orlando.
See ya.